Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to share photos and videos on iCloud. First, navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Here, tap on your Apple account and select the iCloud option. Next, tap on Photos and toggle the Sync this iPhone option to turn it on. Then, you can upgrade the option and go to the Photos app. After that, select any photo and tap on the share icon on the bottom left side. Now, you will see different options and you can also edit the menu. Following that, select the copy photo option by tapping on it. Next, you can reach the Messages app and go to a new message. After that, paste the photo in the message box and you can send it. In this way, you'll be able to share photos and videos on iCloud. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.